CEO for Free Zones. Mobani discuss it. And asemo waka de achre Apostle Dr. Eric Nyameche abeyen SMP on galamsey. Na ye hwese wabe apologize.
Sir.
And the apology no de buy no. Saying that ye fun and the galamsey fight no so akusi saying South Africans so Ghana phobia wo no ye attack omo. No so ye be demon komo na MPP se nchichemu no a ekoso no so as opposition party a ye hia wo for effective governance because almost yes wo ho no mutumi ka bie na etumi bu ama mamu ekoso no. There's divisions and there's a matter of concern. The base movement yes some supporters of MPP more twi omo ho ne ade no issue as ye share in the political space. Mame ensha sim free Paul also. Me so we videos ni nyina ne ne ekokoko so.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
You better say na me hu bibia na apology na me hu.
Oh, apology no. Oh, me pa ma I think say.
You ma me come say. I prepare say me hu apology bia.
Why do you say?
Na me ba no me set topic and we can say apology ka ho. Me hu apology.
Serve Free Zones versus day.
But one apology.
Update I fa hu nyina.
Ma me kan say mu encho.
Mebo ama.
Oh, about there.
Oh, they course mebo ama.
Me interested.
Sir.
Me interested.
Our listeners are interested.
They say but me one fan topic no. Enti no. Hwe galamsey asemo a eba me no mienu nyina no. We say ye hwe na ye ka ho asem den.
Right.
And ade a essay on my ade a essay society. Adia say entire community ni nyina enti se akokwa eba na se ye canon se bia ma me na asem nko ana ye nhwe ba bia ade no efri ba na ye nhwe aban suso eba no ensem a okafa galamsey ho se utietia omuka che se aban bia opese otu galamsey ase bia no because o police dodo o immigration dodo o army dodo nti within 2 weeks ipe. So person what two galamsey asia obetu asia.
Yeah.
And that they tabled ensua ewo Ghana ha nyina ema ye hwe ne level of degradation ana ananya sa
pollution
exactly. Then me kwa na minti ade bia ye fe no turbidity me na minti bida.
Right.
We were told to say at yeah level no ana MPP for time no turbidity no do 14,000 enti utie omo kasa ya hey Ankobra River is gone friend is saying Ayensu is gone Blue River is gone hey namu baya 1.5 years akokwa turbidity kronwa ye kan wasam 2024 no turbidity 14,000 no do 94,000 turbidity no me sure say by this time no do be 100 and something so ye koye anase ye buy and na me say video bi krampa papa bi o na afuo o si asojafo aba ho a o ma dwiri na afuo koko farm ni nyina so minim say wan hu bia
enra me the program
Oti ase now yes subscribe bo NDC fo they are involved in galamsey Dominic Ayini a ye aban lawyer Penny oti ase waka tell say you Yamin a ye the national organizer of NDC Otubi also first vice chairman of NDC third vice chairman of NDC Yerabanga Otubi nti Yokofo Enhwehwem ana meboa TUC for abeka tell say
they've been accused
rofu na woka but ade no kowie so
it's a watch suspect
and I say attorney general we are buying loyal one kasa kwa intelligence or gather ansa no akasa etino wabeka tell say sankofo we Etubi the TUC akache say ukwa akwatia chairman or friend chairman BB onu ne ma to galamsey and he's even aiding or facilitating my others to be count ukwa our constituency yes see nananumo amutin konya so almost say MP on parliament was a real your friend was Kalabi was a real moi or to galamsey. Ana tell say oba asante mantemu ha me ne wo kase ya ukọ atuma wa biaja south NDC fu e wo ho say DC na oba ode eyi convoy eba no o tu galamsey edu say ana tell NDC fu
convoy nante
sa no mka e so ti say president
me hu ni de
yes o tu galamsey ukọ nyina hini a yes chairman wo ho Chama kuti president kutu seden chama kutu meboa oteye otubi okwa atwuma kwa homa otu atwuma kwa homa chama nkra de you've been made to understand say otimi fa NDC for egu pick up no ahihye omo national security intare then they go to mining site and extort we wo home the original minister Frank Amakohene Obiama Yahu on 18th of June, 18th of November. Said Dr. Frank Amakohene Sosono, when the Yabua was it all to be. The Mikra Masati Dr. Frank Amakohene, and Hokrasa and then say, also uko akukeri training college ya. Dining hall of a school no ye to galamsey oh. Eti galamsey ya dia minia obi kan wasema. He's not far from the truth.
Yeah.
What I say? Now, I for pathologist for na. For kwa nenkabi. Pathologist for bekase. Say nipa kura wuni papa na. Say ni sign na the name mercury no. I say nipa no other organs na. He is so serious. Asa na gynecologist for say ene ya wa kwala ni hiri edu. Na no miensa na ni edu etese ensem a yetete no enya ade eboa yen. Then food and science research for also ebeka che say now enubra echiche from manke branch ni ade no heavy metals ewuram wonte ye akukwa wati ana wonte
yeah kontomre ni ade
yes heavy metals yes say iron rods wan kasa u di bancha u wi iron rods now heavy metals just say ye kase heavy metals awura ye mfudie mu a e chese say nya iron rods na nipa wie eti ye ni ane susu so asai
poisonous chemicals
masa obi ka cho say heavy metals awura aduane mu a e chese
na se mu edu
ai eti iron rods na nipa wie ni say eti gare na secondary school nkwala edie no e iron rods no mo wie eno nkoda afedi a graduate ya do say because say ye nsuwa no asese na sofo apostle emphasize nyameche wo
Eric nyameche Dr. Kennedy
ena wo ka kire na asore ma say enema ekoso no the traditional way of baptism and I say subo na ye ko nsuom ne ye ko bonipa e ma ni nya enkwagye no sesi anu galamsey enti no ama yentimi nya ne sa na fe de omufa synthetic way ana say ye sheda tubula kakra bi wo baabi ne abonipa na su ewum nti no o ntimi guarantee say mpa no be ko heaven ana say onko akoko amene woti he unim say Kristo ni yedidie ne say ye ba wo ye foforo asa ne ewura osra ho ahemamu ananya sa ene na su ga na eboni adu kru nipa nipa ni hia asubosi ebe wo no foforo na yakobo nipa na su ni enya nsukru di a yebetima bo nipa na su wom na so fu ikoka ehia say onya this unwarranted statement and as unwarranted friend is insult in free mami aden eti ebetre ga na ha ko yawe mu na dan kom be mi so heaven so so nipa ko na yakodi yani abose akonanti god so e heaven no so akokwa NDC for ne galamsey nti yetimi ko heaven ye koy anase bai eti bone ben na sofo no aye wakasa tia asem we eye kasa tia ben wo se omame ya fa ye friend say doma ma adwi mu no ofa wo appoint wo say koye CEO e wo ha say na wo timi catch sofo ni say ma sofo no ni last warning say wo kasa asem ni bie mu a wo be treat no as a politician. Hey, nanti say politicians a grandpa must we run ourselves down? And I say who a politician now, or be a politician you must run the person down to gain political points. Now am I with you? And I say who and never baby see you who all amenities at your disposal. At the end will be a measure was say Obiansa come to you. At you who kasa and says so will be no a cabie. And now Obiano must listen to you. Listen to their worker. Me de me feel say entwe
right.
Na me who say wa pacho. But who here say obe pacho especially nyame di for and the Church of Pentecost. Me be na me tie senior mwatimi achurch Pentecost for omu contribution in national development. Oye Net2 or my Ghana COVID-19 by say no musi de omo center and my say yem fanche. What you say? That is it. And sana bus stations. So the bus stations on my rest stop be.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no more the omo asare.
Exactly. Almost
bus stop.
A bus stop. What you say? And say no musi a complete prison house.
Yeah.
Adoneti am mine. Coupled with university. Pentecost
University. Yeah.
And other
so education, health, and I mean other sectors. The churches.
It is yes idea we ya. Na say idea koswa. It want me kabi.
Right.
So masi President Mahama. Where do obia show? Otia say.
So be pacho.
Enye chew panim kwa.
So what's one thing?
And I'm say Matiano.
There should for the sake of our listeners, yes. Yinti kakra na mama wa finalize ho.
Inti me stress on say in the process of also expressing myself in response to the statement he made. Se me kan asembia an kan yia me retract and apologize to him, the Church of Pentecost and the general public. Inti me stress on say in the process of also expressing myself in response to the statement he made. Se me kan asembia an kan yia me retract and apologize to him, the Church of Pentecost and the general public.
Okay, and that is the apology.
Where the engine to apology we ye wa kwan ye fa so a ye pacho especially tre nyamidi fo a ya sra ne ngo a Pentecost fo ayi nu.
Oh, okay.
And I want to dey ka no. You say touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. What nyamidi fo touch no do no harm a u say ye ka no. Utiwa uma woni akese against the woman no against the man no say ne ye pacho ye ma me ewuzi o ye me yonko prekope ba me sewa se bomoden
amanfo obi send me message say omo pese omo ne onya adwen omo pese omo sa etie ni biem because the wo kan omo nhye da hu no wom nti ya no identify amaye
in the process of also expressing myself in response to the statement he made. Se me kan asembia an kan yia me retract and apologize to him, the Church of Pentecost and the general public.
I say asem we your kind wo de ko tie video na o de kan o say on jindi se nyame anwosra woni so se nyame ngosra e woni so a enkon ka de o kan ye no
tinko nsa nka sa asem bia oh mehu se nyame ngosra woni so
e woni na nyame ngosra ni so anka Pentecost for yi se ondi o manim woni process o mo fam o Roman for eyi wo mo pope ahun se jise hu sie pie free baby Pentecost for unim fire wo mo bo Pentecost fire ye so ansa na ye kandi ni ye chairman
brother base
na etimi basa no a me fi se enye papa me ma me kotosire mu ye ni yie se pede bi kura na se obekọ Pentecost church wo na wakọsa wo mu na wakọ na so aye
I agree with you
ebeboa publicly lo obeja tumu no asofo no kọhye dem mu a eniema o mo beye no minua
empire no
minua ya me adifo de yemfo mu ndia ko me ma me Mary me koto srew say kopacho because at this one something where is unacceptable what I say we uti TV so ni etwa video na kan we ye bo radio so ye hu anim ani udi mi na wo dey kan say we hu ti kotra TV ni so bi ana say kwa sori ho akọkyerẹ sẹ indeed when hu nyankopon kwa wo say obi obeye boni bia no oye mobrohu fo se wo de beche no so unu ho now patewa nyame ye mobrohu fo so de beche nti on show eno asane me di base no etwa so me de masem nyina
adana manyoko ni titi
oti ase masem nyina ye tietiawa eye adesrede echeopa
adana osre
ena me de ma me nuanu ma omudi the base ni the base team ni nyina enim say ebre ya ye wo moyi one say opposition there the only thing you have is unity kabomu eti bibi biara kokora ebeti yentem ade biara ebema nipa asan ya free ya chi de ye hia sesei
when na ti the base
minim but me hu se Bawumia Agyarko edi mu bi what you say me ne na ye adwuma bebre 2024 campaign me na ye adwuma Agyarko is a very nice man. He has the parties at heart, the interest at heart.
To say create you were the base movement Ghana first and then the base movement nankasa
yeah can base ni nyina bom
yen kan nyina
what you say whether 1 and 2 part 1 and 2 ni nyina ye kan mu nyina bom asre wo mo se ye pa mo cho ya odie ene ade ni we ni nyina no let us put it aside.
Unim Dr. George Oti Boate.
Oh yes.
Unim no.
Yes.
On started the
yes.
So say was started
Matthias
na ada na MPP mo antu ho na mo se bia mo ne be kasa se be ya maybe to tune down nanka Andrew say benya even the base movement part 2 ni ho anwan
on say after ye flag bearer ye nche you 31st of January about 3 months in
right
which I say a series of process and ye go through aside that ye no na was say ye di ye ni hwe ye party I nekra no eguso a ye ewo grounds what I say so it's a whole lot but now that ye hu how eba no mpanifo eno bi na me gina ha ene wa frame ya ye ka ho asem and I believe say ye party for no hwe ekwan a ye fa so a ye gitumi ma political party and not for mu what I say to say me cry nei adwuma ye ma MPP na da achi bi MPP banner say ya reward me di yaw
right
what I say and that is what went on emrebia etwamu so I know so me anytime I make sure mu bia no dia me dey say o man say fache do one fan cha e dey be biem
right
because party nan kasa no akọ opposition
okay
enti dia na wanya na office e was say akọ so awi but yen sam build now there's a new crop of leaders yenya new leader Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia omo di ni nchen nyina so ye nkrofo a they are new in the system
okay
what you say enti me sre wo mo say abotoye mu emra na ye ma baako ye emra ye ntem dia akosuo biara ye mfanche
okay
na ye hwe say ade ebe kan ya bomu na ye be di ho dwuma rather than niema ebe tete ye ntem
okay would you want to touch on South Africa there?
South Africa there no there I will say me describing say South Africa sometimes you know I recommend omu hia nkrofo bi ma omu edit some psychology bi edit omu fa some counseling bi me that's what I see because yes because otnawa feel say obi na agi ne bibi what I say so whoever is that's closer to me yes whoever is closer to me is the reason why I'm not who I am what I say and so why would you take it biana de wura obi yam na etaniema no is called for who fear petrol the go be no ashino what a yaw any adiadim. So I think say they should recommend counseling for what you say.
Hey, now woman doesn't but
you know and I'm say omu feel it. That is how I see say omu feel say obi na amomu enye de oto omu ye
say omu hu foreigners ne say omu ye criminals omu na ejo omu nyuma ne
but me ma South Africa several times.
Okay.
What you say? Okay. Hotel Amida, friend front water gate or Durban. Na hotel na Amida every minute be a police try to know which ya.
Right.
And I maybe someone say Ade Durban go Ade Amida president hotel na. And one can tell me say so jam me 1 minute you be come.
Ade who visit home.
Oh, say a nice place.
Yeah, what I call you home again.
Onye say me call you home. I have some people there.
Oh, okay.
What I say? Mako Durban, Mako Cape Town, Soweto, Limpopo. What I say? Asana Joburg.
Wow.
These are town. Oh, a very nice place. Na Cape Town hono crowd the mini jai. Abrofuna sheda build a ho. So mo kwa kotra ho.
Tubesa koda be.
Oh, sisi ade ubede no akota.
Ade.
Ma me come asem.
Na we didn't know. Entino. Because me pesa me ne woko.
Say.
Me pesa me di wachi
woko ha unje bisa.
Me pesa me ne woko.
Oh.
Da wo be kono.
Okay.
Say wo de wako ho unim no ho nti. Na wo de machi ni kakra.
Wait akọ.
Enti we koda be.
Oh, sisi antokwasi na me nko. Ana matese ye de nuero ura nkrofo turumu na maduru David nya dia enti masem nyina ne say ye nuanom ye Africans what you say no matter what especially they were stressing on Nigerians. I don't know what they have done.
Okay.
Right, what you say but ye hu ye say ye baako nti I recommend counselors now they should take them through.
Okay.
What you say sa ade no ye cry council your regional minister. It is what take counseling unit.
Social support.
The be mom
for Ashanti region.
And I make say see to me yani kesi mu South Africans na it will reshape their mind towards ni fellow human being.
Right. Thank you very much, Paul Yando, and Outinenka, Ashanti Regional Director for Communications, NPP, and Outinenka. A few messages. We say I'm Isaac from Ahojo. Please tell Paul Yando to stop the hypocrisy because this ECG tariffs goes up in its IMF instructions. Also, Nedia or de Abanono. This one says, "Good morning, senior. I hope you are well. My issue is the galamsey is not going to stop because our leaders are somehow underground. This is your little boy Kojo Abankro inside the Joshua Abankro. Okay, Kojo sensing that one. Oyibo Boatin Atrema Ndebehi. Mere apology from the Free Zone CEO is not enough.
Yeah.
I think if the NDC is serious about the fight against galamsey, there should be immediate dismissal to serve as a deterrent to others. Hi to Chairman Odeneho Kweku Annan, Shelley Chetiwa MP. Okay, so watching your message is in. We also say in front of District Assembly office ongoing. Only galamsey nana ongoing for no answer actual way. Okay, I'll say hi, good morning. Please, my name is Philip from Pechi, but working at Asante Bediatuo. Please, I want to ask Bosume Frehun. It's not I want to ask if Bosume Frehun is not part of Ghana and because the way and manner galamsey is going on there, I don't think there's a minister there at the place. Okay, maybe a DC. You're talking about the DC around it. Okay, I'll say in front of the district assembly office, it's ongoing. The arrogant woman should be fired from that office because they are the worms of people shouting down the grace of the land. Or no sooner the Abanti Bosome from area near the district assembly no any Hussien
Akufo
right
district assembly no matter omu tu galamsey
sana ono diaba some ready
o say animu ba me NC
also omu tu galamsey we animu enti obiza say DC ni wana Hussien Mamintio, eti usu betumi asende WhatsApp message 0596821571. Mamintio na yenhwe the other issues no nyina.
Akukwa. That's na kwenya odi amame. On say nyina no mind is. And me say the bia no. Me bet na hanim say enka say NDC ni ye galamsey a eye. MPP ni ye galamsey a eye.
Yeah.
Because me ankasa kura no say me yes na say me a hypocrite. Me a me no kasei. Ensu a wonom anu abi na menom.
Asemu.
Ensu a po yando no anu abi na menom. Ti say galamsey essay ensu a me no mi no benom a eni kwa say mbetena hanim sei. Me num owuo no na me say bebo owuo abaso. Enya dia meti asesa.
Right.
Forest reserves say you know. Yes, omu ye pharmacy. Eka forest ye pharmacy. I didn't think eka because nubna any name in free forest when you na no. Eno na na ye sa ye ho yare na no mo keka fra ye herbal medicine de mai.
Right.
Yes, when the last tree die, the last man will also die. Di entire na no kasa because you see nia eboyen emi nyam from apart of me. So what you say? Enti please. You see when I kasa na my dey do for no aka dey obeka nyina.
What am I 1 minute?
We are no more. We are 1 minute no aka dey obeka nyina. What you say? Enti sa nema we nti no. Me obi a galamsey, me support galamsey nde and support galamsey china.
Right.
On several platforms and I say radio and TV stations me wo records some ko tena Kesben TV. Ma criticizing my government at some point be because of galamsey. It mean better than saying cause galamsey no NDC ba ye no yetimi asolve galamsey no mean tran him saying cause asem da. But you see NDC for na ye name bi ama MPP for keni kwan so munya no e kan galamsey ho asem.
Ade.
Nti de bia me blame ma ban. Because ye na ye name bi amo mo kwan amo munya no. Because in MPP ni pa de nka obo galamsey penan ko dwane because galamsey e ya de a na enim say Ghana for hwe so de to abetia wo. Aka ho bi.
It's true.
What you say? Enti say me nua poyando abetena hanim say o see the tebedity of what no kwa no anti bi mpo da. And akwa koduru number 2 enso say number 3 ye won kura omonan deformities. I was Professor Nukro ma mention ni podcast Professor Sammy no confirm no kan ka asem no. In fact, you now report about research on my year. It's just heavy metals no canon. Of course, true. But I have the report here. Report in Ninaye 2024.
Oh, he on the casa no.
No, me say on say me build the points are. Me be am di free ba.
Okay.
Asema Poliando kai nyinaa e ya dia Poliando ne na ban e na ye emre so na sa nema we nyina na isisi entimi nua Poliando no mom no e hwe se omumom be se nema no kendi sie baaye no enke mbe ye ni yie me da se ye be ye ni yie.
Okay.
But you see ye guso aye nema ye kakra eye Lands and Natural Resources Minister and spokesperson Kabore na say the video be not trendy. River be as Evangelist no say den okogina no. In fact, before 2024 and so na now the compare ne ultimus a difference kakra e den eba. But me dey me say galamsey ya dia emwayen enti say unso bi ye galamsey na chese nipa ne o man tamfo.
Right.
Because galamsey effect no ni nyina start under MPP. In fact, say galamsey kura no you professor from Boakye. Okay, so be catch say e bra galamsey tin ken say pa o Ghana hanim say o mu wura kwa ye bretu mu river body say so pa 2018. What kind of report no? Make a report no. Please.
Forest reserves
ni water bodies now. Was it 2018? Because na galamsey koso and MPP NDC at time 2016 koso but see mre tin ken say pa wo Ghana ha e ya bra Poliando mo baye ayi retama untumi ko se Samra boy. Please, you see, when you were talking, I was quiet. Maybe I know what I'm saying.
The issue is in court.
So please, maybe. But if it is in court, I mean, reporter and as a letter MPP nankasa Lands and Natural Resources Minister etwa koma Yura Akufo Addo ka kire ne say Yura Wontumi ehye Forest Reserve New Council shemu ya galamsey nti eno no mitimi kan wasema na what I say and a president no e ka say onye galamsey and a chama Wontumi no so no we all know say ono ko ani appointee and also if you saw no government appointee ono ko ani regional chairman Ghana had him say BC da wakotra TV so solid money kire yen solid money no nyane he enti me de e ba ne galamsey me there's no way I will support galamsey and maybe I will criticize my government but bonia omudi ye no you see I was reading something from internet no so and doctor we friend Dr. Boama no ka kire say you be to me or toxicologist
right
or say you be to me asesa nsuo MPP aban bae no omo be say no amansuo na be ye kama pa na it will take us 10 to 15 years na me read it was it 10 to 15 years show obi the 8 years adi bone nipa ni we no pesa wo de 1 year per solve problem ni nyina yes ya jatumu your responsible government we are working on it and I know say ansa na NDC we fi abamu no say galamsey ase entu kura na there will be a significant improvement your water bodies
right
there will be a significant improvement your niam omoka say SSA nyina de emu galamsey a national crisis wo say nyina no ye ka no bomu na ye kasa na omo gu kwa yebroto mu ni nsuo mu SSA na ma nyina no esutwa ebi ti say ba ye say excavators and mimi de bia menya koso menamfofo omakoyi omakofa excavators omode ba me three business now the excavator and bed then was it challenge can be adwuma ba na wo ye because wunya contractor wunya obi amnim no was kamene kwa koyi adwuma na force western region contract be na dem akwa no wa otimi nchiremu na maka cho se me de me menye obi a me de excavators e de mankofo aban na hu se excavators na mo import ba de say yensuo ni ensa ase e jo se da bi wo excavator ba be kire de ento de excavator ne ba fa paper se kire de odi kwa koye bra enti ye sizu excavator aban no hu kwan so de sizu excavator eno ne niam aye ni bi so they make an what I say enti enkakra gradually minim say galamsey fight no say ya winni no kura na e so betima eden ate na Ghana fon so hu say aban no ye baaye no ya ma omonsan so anya den ansi form in fact NDC ba demonstration kura koso na eyi ni galamsey demonstrations ana under MPP omutimi kura ko obitimi kura ko fa mic ko kase so ye Ghana ni osu your ban answer bema sinkran so ba be demonstration fa galamsey hu so okay okay so na na omo please you see who nim enema wa ban me read the video na send obo video ni we obo ni pa kai me I will not tell you anything of course okojo say God we bema sinkran so ba be galamsey obi su ka kire say ye nja galamsey no tunde nja galamsey no tuchina we ndis ni a we government appointee abrabontin be ka say we nja galamsey tunde nja galamsey tuchina be ka say am ni nti never they be you
they said mining.
What you say?
They said they won't stop mining.
They use the word galamsey. Are you a free? You see, don't make please. You see, what's the galamsey?
You are talking about you a free.
I don't want to mention names.
No, the video made me mind the call. You know, was on.
No, I'm talking about are you a free?
Yeah.
Now the videos I want me to.
Afenyo talked about mining that time
MPP
as an MP.
MPP. Many people Net2 TV so. Now me kasa who can say now dey chini who na ope so people go wani ma say because me trans in kasa me amepe
right
no mu oba akra kwotena Adom FM e can say galamsey to ni dey be ko so atu sa ye nyaida but ndew dem ndis women's organizer me ko Net2 TV so ko kasa asem ne hwe sa de be chene say bia o kita position bia obenya so ye shifted from MPP omo mess no ne dey akọ if not good kwana if not better kwana in a good ahead ye pe but you see me to we ensema enura na ekoso nyina no you know my position me politics e ka asem edigu obi hu fi me obi asa nema no me ya nkyere me omo tete me politics mu the likes of Sammy Gyamfi mu Gyamfi mu regional minister mu lawyer bass mu wo hwe mu communication na fact based communication.
So have we really failed And do you think say a bit to me to galamsey ase? Because no. But before he get there,
galamsey fight no.
Meba. With the fight against galamsey, it seems like you are mentioning say you are making progress, kakra. But we thought we would have a different strategy altogether. But it seems like we are still using different names and the same military. The same police. With the military and the police, we understand say more some of the promises and some of the communicators. Who say when we have the will and we put all together, you bet to me this galamsey you bet to asientem cry. And that is communications minister Sam George. Previously making that comment.
Okay.
What is really going on at Yentimi into a CSC? Because what's the challenge? Because up to now, Yensha Dan can say, oh, problem with Yentimi into galamsey ase within a short time. I can say Bianchi between me and Sano way. What is the problem? I want to know.
You see, progress now make us a buy reflecting. You see, number one, Matana had him say, I catch or say one, me support galamsey. But the progress in near my this a buy, no. To say, who say, what had him say, no. O Casafa galamsey, o be no baby chase you. And the Casana any more was system no. Now be on no share kwa ye breakthrough muna all this edumano. Or no be say, Ghana phone in I that's what it's no. By be no, so ko kasa asam na. You say, Oko South Africa ko shewu. I just saw Janiko Bruchiri. Intini akawa no tumu o sende utimi ka galamsey wansem yi by du mrebi eye wa unua bema era so asare don konti na obetra na uka galamsey asem ohwe wachi utimi kura ka kire so mumbie do hwe so bi gina wansa na wayden waka galamsey wansem ene na kire say ye no ye tolerate bibia na tolerance na ye tolerate no ena ye ka say mo de mo ka no hwe ye rera so asare don ko me hu Facebook post bi o ka say ono ka kire all try to say and this be omunya hwe kura at least so complain bibia omukọ ko eden ekoye ho adwuma eno no ye progress ni bi no.
Okay,
say the make out say
right,
but me catch you say Dr. Buama no toxicologist catch you say ensuo ni niema MPP aban say in 8 years no yen to me for 1 year 2 years 3 years and from correcting nyina it will take 10 to 15 years until me catch you say a process.
So that was 2024.
Yes. So until Fana say you starting ya ba ye nema ye na MPP saba ya kasi you say better so be over 16 years. Yes, because you to nema ye Ghana of course. So say ye transfer 16 years now. MPP saba na say galamsey na ya quality bibia kra na you know say almost abekwa ko ye bio. Yes. Because someone they know someone jayo. But in this is a jai.
Okay.
Aye gusu so aye di hujuma.
Right.
And again, was the regional minister on the 18th of what guy we yaboa ekoka say oye galamsey. O kan we no asan fan to so say boy na nkasa babonti me pa cha say wonu na asem na oka na ebotiri mu ka say onu kra oboa na opeso oka keke mo bia hu. Yes, what you say? And no, is it any consequence and cocoa eden at the back, my coffee the by because some people mischief this. Now make a
apology, no,
and not make a 1 7. Apology 1 7. Let me be honest with you. Let me be honest with you. Mamina Pachau.
What is my better?
Mamina Pachau. Ghana for Yemfan channel. Pentecost asafu yesremo esa dan se yemu a chopa na bade a ye nyina ye fa nche maame no because me obi a enu na hu me position dada me support sa na no right and now me control to social media say me support
I even shared it
me support sa na no
and yes what TNT na America. Yes, it's one of my two incidents that happened here. I mean you took a Ghanaian position. Yes. Let me put it that way. Because and I like that. They be and I prefer to be Ghana first before NDC. What I say? Enti no med sa na na isisi ye no. Minim so apacho until the ma asem bibi anya den enko. Na minim say I den ya na metie menua
Eugene hano adisrede ha dwen ye nyina no enrate ye no na nwanwa kakra de mayen because on say na make us non-verbal communication it matters ebi asam na okan no kura no na bia ayibia sheda nimu but the posture the way on common so call you know and a cover or how we united buy into minim say quickly on
the base you know I think say 3 minutes
so at the attempt na no can you see opese unhu party a omumbu asofo for Ghana anim say ya MPP party nti so say the make can be new say nyen this for na baby biama minu Paul Ando anya anu abekasa kono kran ko bekasa okay wa bronye ya papa Pastor Duncan Williams or Net2 apaso say ehoro no enyo mo kra no mo to airtime ekwotena TV station pastors o me fake ko Ghana nyino mo nanim enya bi before enti ne de ba ne say and MPP ni anya anu ba bekasa eye asofofo wo Ghana hanim say omo ye kaseti asofofo ye say imisraw sa ne ma no ye njai ye wo person party a ye de atem twom furuma ye moa original chairman ono no fa wadwuma kra no ya mami Professor Jenano Poko Adma Sammy Bediatuo ka say mami no ebeifo ni trinwi radio senam o se Mahama wona Sammy Bediatuo John o se Sammy Bediatuo Mahama kwa kofa no made meboa a MPP fo no kra ba bonti so mba be pa achew ama chama Wontumi you say ntinu menye sa ne ma no ye pediatama eyemo se be working stick of ediatama politics mo MPP fo enti NDC enye we yanka we nkoma obenya anu abeka zasem we enti NDC mo hwe de we be say communication yi se na be yanko for how bi anya den emba we see the base no the base no say o kasa na mesere
just a minute
o say Paul Ando kasa na mesere e na obi say me say adenti na mesere Paul kasa ni nyina no edu the base no so no e na o ye kum this is communication I feel I make sure important of communication and a communication effective communication also the way I said the tone the bar for tone it down all kaso and then the person nyina no communicators na nyina ye say communicate no ye ba na nyina ye ti ase say na wo say den ye kasa also hu how emotional appeal also hu sa na ma nyina but say unko ne sa na be ne de wo ye ne de
ma wo kra
ma me ye na mesre nti see the base no ye say ye ka political party a who define the political party or key terminologies but key terms here it's an organized group of people with similar ideology about how a nation should be governed with the aim of what winning power
time now
is it MPP is an organized group of people they are not organized
I don't know
they are not that the base one so base two base leaders, three so no leaders behind him MPP need leader MPP need leader leader ben omo say leader wa MPP mu pa na san ne mo sem we ko so party ni mu yesi panyini tena fie ma kora we nanka ya ka nanka we fo ya den o ka hu bi hwe nie mo mo yiya omo ho e na opese Kennedy Agyapong na se bi Bediatuo alaji Bawumia ko foko ka se bi Bediatuo so o ko cabinet o se won panel ne e de opese o be join MPP o ma o ka se no supporters no mo mada o
so ye
Kennedy Agyapong na mu di na tem no e de opese ne Kennedy Agyapong ne be join MPP o ma the base leader it has come to stay
no one is
me sentina make at say me say me to no me be soldier man ko hwe nkwa mu ma me ka tire me bia Paul Ando say me bia party na kwa kodu sisi MPP party na kwa kodu sisi ano it is better Paul Ando over be join NDC yes me you know Paul be join NDC adabuana Paul because me who want to be Paul mo
Gambeman appointment
Paul be na appointment also a youth and our youth exuberance now Paul in your youth for chame onye youth but so we be new
they be no abeyi ne ho anu
no Paul onye minim so onye youth but on say NDC buy na mu bi esusu na ye no mama your opportunity say enye but Paul Ando say abra BBC ye na ye fa ye appointing is on be regional director so oba so party ni koye kakaka original until say Paul minim de see ya after the communicators no TV so a on say lawyer boss no be make sure so you are measured but Paul no ntimi en control mo sa ntimi hu say no communicators no there be na Paul ankasa kwotena TV so a ensem obeka on fa se bi kran ka ho no o pese communicator ko kasa o di se bi ka ho enti on party ni akwa koye no
thank you
party ni akwa koye no
dey wa baby abeko no nye Paul
akola nyeska o ho o se pania mo bra tiene obetima kata asem na kire enye hwe se mimi
That's some appointment.
Debbie, no more mutimoma bi. Ko hwe ndisi fu a esu. PV Jan Tuamo. Wala sabe biu. What you say? Okay. Eku o kai san papa fo ni nyina. Ya kan mu nyina gudem.
Okay.
Enti minia akola nya sika susu kasa o.
Me da se ma memfa atifo na me wi a
ya.
Wa kasa che we 30 minutes. Ono wo ya 22 minutes.
Akokwa.
And they show ni nyina ya odia.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.